Now it's story time on Noggin.
Thomas is taking 4 carloads of toys to the children's hospital in the next town. He's making a midnight run, so the toys will be there by tomorrow morning. Light your headlamps, Thomas. Off you go into the night. Peep, peep. There goes Thomas along the track. Ping, ping. Crash! Oh, dear. Some falling rocks have broken Thomas's headlamps. What will Thomas do without any lights? He can't run in the dark. And the children in the hospital will be so disappointed if they don't get those toys. But look, a farmer is lending Thomas the lamp from his barn. That's better, isn't it? Go slowly, Thomas. That small lamp gives only a small light. Luckily, some more friends have arrived to help. That's even better. And the nice man in the general store has offered to lend Thomas his Christmas lights. There you go, Thomas. Don't you look cheery? There's the hospital in the distance, but the tunnel lies ahead, and the tunnel is awfully dark. Look, Thomas has a special escort. Hooray for Thomas! He made it to the children's hospital. Thomas the Tank Engine, you've lit up the night. The end.
Read with your kids for 20 minutes every day and inspire a lifetime love of learning.
Look for the midnight ride of Thomas the Tank Engine and other exciting Thomas adventures from Random House wherever books are sold.